Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing this beautiful purple makeup look, but I want to talk a little bit about the partnership I have going on in today's video with Etah Love. They are a beautiful jewelry company who creates sterling silver pieces, not to mention handmade sterling silver pieces. They are so gorgeous. I'm wearing their Live by the Sword earrings, which are just so beautiful, so simple, and they go perfectly with any look. I'm also wearing a couple of their necklaces. So the first necklace I'm wearing is the Snakebite necklace, or the Snakebite pendant. I love this, and the clasps, oh my god, those are even so beautiful and so detailed. The other necklace I'm wearing is the chopping block. Look at the detail. They're just so beautiful. And the ring that I wear is my wedding ring, which you've probably seen in so many of my posts and videos. It's called Bewitched. I am so obsessed with their stuff. If you guys go to the link down in my description box right now, you can go sign up for the Etah Love newsletter, which will automatically send you a $25 gift code to your email. And then you'll also get entered to win a $500 gift card to their website. And look at the boxes. I save all their boxes. I love their boxes. Thank you so much, Etah Love, for partnering with me in this video. I am so excited to be working with you. I absolutely adore you and your jewelry. And yeah, let's get started with this tutorial, you guys. I decided for this tutorial, I wanted to show you guys how I do my brows, and I always do my eyebrows first. So I use my Patrick Ta gel. It's amazing. It literally holds your brows down and keeps them exactly in place. It is not like a fine gel. It is a hard gel that will keep your brows in place. And then I go in with my Unearthly Cosmetics liner. It's potted liner and it's in Ruby. That's the shade. You guys can use my discount code with Unearthly. And yeah, they have all kinds of colors of the liner. So if you have funky colored hair, you might be able to find one. I like it because it stays on. It's easy to go on. It doesn't make a mess when I try to clean it up with concealer. And it's just perfect. Yeah, I love the Ruby stuff from Unearthly for my brows. Then to mimic hair, I use a marker. I've been using the Juvia's Place eyebrow marker, and I really like it, or pen, if you will. I used to use the Anastasia one, which is really great as well. And then once I've achieved those little hair strokes that I like, I'm going to use my handy dandy Plouise 0.5 base, clean up my brows, and then I also use the base typically for my whole lid, but today we're going to be using the Lunatick Cosmetics primer because I wanted to try it out, and look at how cute the container is. So yeah, I had to give it a go, and I really like it a lot. Y'all know I don't, go very far from my Plouise, but the Lunatick Labs was good. This is the Hell Bites Beauty Till Death Do Us Part palette, and I'm also using the Unearthly Cosmetics Sleepover palette, which is just freaking precious. I'm using the black shade in the Hell Bites palette first, and I'm using that as my base for all of my bright colors. I wanted to go for like a really sultry, purpley, dramatic, but like soft kind of look, like very blended and soft and pretty, but like still dramatic. So that's what I was going for here. After I've blended everything out, I'm going back in with that Lunatick Cosmetics primer. I'm just cutting out the crease a little bit, but I'm not... At first I thought maybe I want to do a really clean cut crease, but it just kind of got more blended, and that's okay. I'm not mad at it. It looks really pretty. Like, once it's all finished, I was very happy with it. I'm then using another gel liner from Unearthly. This is the purple one called Jam. It's called Jam. I was like, wait, what is it called? It's called Jam. It's super cute. I love this purple shade. I feel like it really brought out the green in my eyes. I have very green eyes, but sometimes they can look gray. I know they don't actually change color, but depending on what color you wear, sometimes to you they can look a little bit different. So I love doing purple because it'll make them really green. I'm doing my face, and I'm using my Summer Friday Serum, my Farmacy Moisturizer, which is my favorite, and I have probably gone through like 3 containers of this moisturizer. And then I'm using my Pacifica Vegan Collagen eye cream, which I love. I recently discovered that I don't think I can use any skincare products with vitamin C in it. And almost every freaking eye cream has vitamin C in it. So I'm really stoked that I was able to find one that does not. I don't think it has vitamin C in it. I could be wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. I use my Milk Primer and also the setting spray before applying my foundation, and today I wanted to try to use a brush. I never use a brush, I always use a sponge. So I've been seeing on TikTok people using brushes for their base, and I wanted to give it a go. So I'm using a Sigma foundation brush, my Charlotte Tilbury foundation, and then I'm going in with my LA Girl pink concealer just to hide those under eye bags that I got that I hate. I hate them, and I'm using my Lawless Beauty brush, and I'm just kind of blending that out and keeping it right in the area I want it. And then I'm going in with the new Lawless Concealer, which I am obsessed with. I had to figure out what shade I was, but I think I went with literally the lightest one. And I love this concealer. It's so, like, serum-y feeling. It feels like a serum. It feels really hydrating, but it has great coverage to it. The brush was phenomenal. I love it. And then I'm going with my KVD Beauty Whiteout Concealer just because I like it really, really bright in the center of my face. I'm setting it all with my Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Setting Powder, the Easy Bake one, with my Laura Mercier Powder Puff. And I like to press the powder in all over my neck, the sides, around my ears, everywhere, because I don't like the feeling of stickiness on my face. You know what I mean? Like the foundation stickiness, like I need it to be soft. Using my Lunatick Labs contour palette and also the Unearthly Cosmetics Sleepover Blush. Very, very light pink, but I really liked it. It was subtle enough to go with this really dramatic eye. And then I'm just shadowing my lower lash line, putting some black in my waterline, really buffing it all out, making sure everything looks nice and blended. And also using the Unearthly Cosmetics Sleepover Highlight. Super pretty. It's not like a super crazy highlight. It's just really subtle and gorgeous. I am obsessed with it. Look at that glow. Put some pigtails in. She cute. I love pigtails. I don't care what anyone says. I'm using my Colourpop Cosmetics Level Up Mascara. This is probably my favorite mascara. Well, one of them. One of my top 5 favorite mascaras. I always go back to this one. It's my favorite. I love it. It doesn't get clumpy, but it gives you that drama. These lashes, I use these lashes probably 10 times before they start falling apart. You guys, these are from Makeup a Murder. I'm obsessed with these. I'll have the number down below because I can't remember, but I literally wore these babies down, okay? They are so good. Using my Plouise lip liner, lining my lips, probably overlining a little bit. Also, look at how cute my compact mirror is. I'll have the information for that down below as well. Then going in with the Hell Bites liquid lipstick. And wham bam, thank you ma'am, I'm finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you, Etah Love, again for partnering with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. I've got quite a few tutorials coming out for spring, so I'll catch y'all later. Bye.